These text boxes are EVP captions from EVPs that I hear later while editing. If you want to hear them, I suggest wearing headphones.
Yeah, I get that the nature spirit wants to go through this part quickly, so we'll get further on and then we'll stop and talk. Because I don't want to stress anybody out. I keep hearing the nature spirit that's with me just really having trouble. Like they really don't want to be here. They really don't like this. For the past 4 or 5 days, I've been pulled. Spirit has been pulling me or pushing me to go to the Sequoias. I feel like this is the end of my trip. I'll probably go home this evening after hitting a few stops and talking to spirits. And then I have spirits that wanted to go to the beach, and that's why they wanted to hitchhike. So we'll probably be going to the beach tomorrow, so they can hop off, go check out the beach, and go up. That's the plan. All right, I'm gonna go off and have my last day of adventure on this trip. Well, my second to last day of adventure. Yeah, they're like swarming. All right, do you guys have anything to say about today? I heard watch your something. Oh man, I hope I don't have bike issues. I hope I don't have tire issues. Watch my back tire or something. Am I gonna have bike problems?
Have you tried O'Reilly's?
Where is O'Reilly's?
Well, you go back out to the light, go up the hill, and when you get to the light, up there.
As I prepare and leave my bike, I'm going on like a 1.5 mile hike, but I'm taking it very seriously. I've left sticks with an arrow pointing where I'm going. There's something very important about this, or very serious about this. All right, spirits. Is this where I'm supposed to be? If you meet folks on the way, invite them to participate once we find a good spot. Being told to put away my camera and look up. Okay, so I stopped for a minute just to open up and kind of feel. There is a breeze, but there was definitely a knock, big loud knock. I watch Bigfoot shows. It's a big deal for them, so who knows, maybe I've got Bigfoot. Kind of doubt it, but there's always a chance, right? I'm asking to be shown things, and somebody said, look, a deer. It's to my left. Is it still here? How close is it? Somebody said something in meters. Hi, dude. So where's the deer? In the forest. There's a giant stump. It's burnt. If you ever need to ground quickly or deeply, touch a tree. I just realized that you can't really tell the scale of these trees because there's nothing next to them. In case you don't know, I'm Brett, I'm a psychic medium, and I like to film my interactions with all spirits. If you're unsure about interacting with me or being on film or audio, please talk to my guides and follow their instructions. Also, please don't use names. Describe yourself. Tell me about the place. Tell me what kind of spirit you are. Tell me if you've been with me for the journey or if you're just joining in from the forest. So, does anybody have anything to say? Hi. Hello, Brett. Yeah, hi. Without using your name, how do I talk to you? Who are you? Nature spirit. What kind of nature spirit? Here among the trees. It's a female. I want to say dryad. So why am I here in this grove, besides it being beautiful? Did I come here to meet people? Or to bring people here? I'm unsure if I'm seeing wildlife or not, but whatever it is not moving, so I think it is something. Let's really, really, really try to bring up the energy. Let's ground down. It's kind of like, oh, hi. I feel like my energy is reaching out. Like from up here, it's reaching out into the forest. I'm just watching it happen. I think this is mostly about energy and doing something with my energy. Yeah. It's kind of like get in the tree, be in the tree. It's kind of like channel the tree, like really. I've never done anything like that. I have channeled other spirits, but I'm new to this talking to nature and talking to trees. And wait a second, wasn't there a dryad that I was talking with just a second ago? Is it a dryad? Somebody just said nymph. Why don't we know about you? About all of you nature spirits. Some do. They stay hidden. They don't necessarily want to interact with us. Barbaric. Okay. Yeah, I can see that. And they're loving. They are loving. And they care for the forest. So what do you do? Like, how do you spend your day? I'm seeing somebody really small moving from like plant to plant, just kind of giving energy or helping. Yeah, moving through the forest or little areas of the forest, interacting with the vegetation and the nature. This is the wackiest one I've done so far because it's so far out. I'm asking them to show me things, and I saw something that looked like an alligator. Please follow along and we'll go do this again. We'll find another interesting spot. I like the water. Me too. Okay. And I heard a knock. It's a massive tree. Look, I'm still here. I just heard a bunch of knocking on this tree. Can you knock some more? What? Oh no. Okay, so the input level had been changed. I don't know when that happened. That's really not helpful. Thank you. Lots of little knocks around me. What are these knocks? They're your friends. Well, that's good. What kind of friends? I had super friends pop into my mind, but I'm not seeing anybody that would be doing knocking. I feel like as I passed over this bridge, I was asking for permission, so that was an instinctual thing. So I'm asking if I should continue. Should I go on? And somebody's excited. Yeah, continue, continue. So, am I going to meet somebody up here? Think I've already met them? Being told to stop. Why? Is there something I can see here? Saying take it in, I think. There was a noise over there. I think it was something falling from a tree, but it was loud. What was it? I think I'm getting nature, forest sounds. I'm kind of talking in my head. I just mentioned all of the spider webs, and they're like, oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. Somebody's telling me to sit right here, but I don't really want to sit right here. I want to keep moving. I want to find a really perfect spot. Can you guide me to the perfect spot? It has to be close to a path. I don't think I'm supposed to be in this specific spot. I am following instructions as much as I can. Well, this is interesting. There's a slog right here, and it has a bunch of things inside of it. Stone and some little pieces of wood in there. Who put that there? I'm not getting a clear answer. All right. Coming up on another large tree, apparently. Large forester tree. And I don't see a large forester tree. I just suddenly hit a point and got totally relaxed. So I don't know what just happened. This is right past the old forester tree that I didn't even see. But I just, all of a sudden, something dropped off. Something feels totally relaxed, totally comfortable. So what just happened? We freed you of parasite? Yeah, I feel like a bunch of stress just dropped off. My energy feels lighter. Is somebody still working on me? Yes. And yeah, we're with you. Who took care of me? Who fixed me? Guides, angels. The forest has the right kind of energy to deal with whatever that was. How long has that been with me? I'm not getting a clear answer. Yeah, I needed to come to the forest. I needed to come to the sequoias of the big trees. Apparently. I made it back to the bike and I kind of heard somebody saying, but we didn't get a chance to finish. So I'm going to go on another hike and we're going to finish up, and then I don't know where I'm going next because I got a late start and it's getting later in the day than I would like for trying to make it all the way home. Are you guys in tow? What does that mean? Are you coming along with me? Graveyard of the Giants Trail. It is surreal though. Wow. It's very strange through here. I'm getting an apprehension from the nature spirits that we're following along. They really don't like this. They don't like all of the death in this little spot. It's pretty bleak. It's interesting to me. Like, it looks really strange. It looks kind of otherworldly. I'm going to follow the trail back to a little bit more lush area, and then we will continue. Somebody's saying, no, go further. Okay, we're going to go a little bit further, and we'll see how she or they are feeling. Yeah, I get that the nature spirit wants to go through this part quickly, so we'll get further on, and then we'll stop and talk, because I don't want to stress anybody out. I keep hearing the nature spirit that's with me just really having trouble. Like, they really don't want to be here. They really don't like this. I ask about them being in other fires, And she says yes, she's been in other fires. She's been around long enough to be in other fires. But it's painful. So we'll try to get back to a place that's more comfortable. Yeah, it's a very disagreeable place. It's torn up and fairly vulgar. I get the impression of other nature spirits working really hard through this area, trying to rebuild or like coax. It's like trying to coax plants into life. I think ending on the other path would have probably been best. Sorry you guys. Are you feeling better? Just hold tight. Well, I definitely sensed a lot of stress, and I was talking to the nature spirit that was with me. I get dryad. I was getting a lot from her, and it was just painful for her to go up there. And as soon as we got back into the more lush stuff, she felt better. But yeah, it takes a lot out of her. So I think I'll leave her here, or she will leave me at this point and go back to her home, her area. I don't know, maybe not. Yes, she's going. And I need to get back on the road. Thank you, everyone who's interacted with me and participated on this journey. All right, I'm out of here. Thank you.